to make some quick money, we will use this website first. This is step 1, and then we will use this one to drive the traffic. Hello again, it's Zvonko here, and I want to show you today how easy it is for you, and this will be a real case study. So this will be step by step, and this is the first video where I will set up everything, and I will then in a week or two record another video with results, and I hope to earn $100 a day or more or less. We will see. But basically we will use CPA marketing. CPA is cost per action, and it's really effective. I will use a site called CPA Grip. So go there. It's very easy. If you don't have an account, it's easy to register. So just register for an account. There is no waiting. And when you register the account, I suggest you go to the offer tools and my offers, which is inside the CPA Grip affiliate. If you have any problems using the CPA Grip in your country or whatever, there is another site called CPA Lead you can use. I also have an account there. It's a bit better to use CPA Grip, more professional offers there. So when you come to my offers, a very important thing is to filter the offers by country and choose United States. And if you can see, there are some offers which we will use, and one is the $750 PayPal gift card. It's a real thing, so for every sign up, so they don't buy anything. You just need to get traffic to sign up to this offer, and one of them will be picked and give a real $750 PayPal gift card, so it's not a scam or anything. And for every lead you get, you will get $2.05. It's hard to see on this dark background, but $2.05. You can choose any other, but this one I think will work fine. We will. This is a desktop traffic, so yes, please, for this method you need to make sure the type is desktop traffic. We will open the offer. You can choose the tracking domain here, whatever you want. We will use Tioga folder. It doesn't matter because we will shorten this link anyway. This offer is only allowed in United States, which we want to have, and we can I will add simple traffic as my tracking ID, so I can know that this traffic will come from that product. So I will copy this link and put it somewhere in the text editor or whatever place you want it to be, so you can have it in the safe place. So this is step 1. Step 2, I will shorten this. You can use any service. I use Bitly, which is bit.ly.com. You click on create a link. We will paste this long URL here and click create. I always you can add a title, which is PayPal 750 giveaways, just to know what the link is about. And you can customize the back part of the link. I always use prefix and PayPal giveaway and save. Now we can copy this link and put that in our document from before, so we have it here. So the next step is to go to simple traffic. There is a link in the description, or you can go to honestmarketingtips/go/simple traffic. You can register here, and now as you can see, I cancel this. There is also a trial for this if you go to, so if you register for the first time, so the huddle plan is like 500 visitors per day. We will use this, but you have like a 5-day trial, so you get 2,500 visitors for free, and then it's for $15 a month. I will use this one, and I will now create a new subscription. I will use the Bitly link here. I will use my email. This is important. You always choose United States here, and okay, I have 500 visitors per day, and convert visitors into leads. That's our idea. Okay, I will skip free trial, and I will set this, but I agree to the terms of service. You will now go and pay when you go. Even if you set up a free trial, you will have to connect your PayPal account, because they want to after the trial ended, to go and give you a subscription. So we'll now go through the payment process. Okay, I will pay with this $15. agree and subscribe now, so my subscription will start and this site. So just go to dashboard. Okay, after you pay, it will be have to wait for some time, but everything is alright, it should. So in the next video I will show you the results. We are getting 500 people a day to our offer. Okay, Simple Traffic also have some awesome offers and bonuses. You can get featured on news site, build a landing page, host a website, or improve your conversion from experts on Fiverr. You can do whatever you want. I am so excited to see the results and see you in a week or so. So please subscribe to not miss that video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check this video out.